Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Apex Legends game. So let's get started right away. In order to change your display image, you will need to change the display image on your profile within your EA Games application or your Steam app. So open up either one of these apps, depending on which one you used, to download your Apex Legends game. Once you open up the application and proceed with logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now in order to change your display image, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on My Profile. You will now see the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see the Edit Avatar option. Click on this option and this will redirect you into the web page for your account on EA. Now click on the Edit button within your profile picture and now you can either browse and upload an image from your PC or you can use one from the avatar gallery. Once you choose your avatar or your photo, click on the Save button and now your image will be saved right away, and this will also be updated onto the Apex Legends game. And there you have it. That is how you can change your profile picture on Apex Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.